Hey guys, Patrick Tuckwell here from Tuckwell Machinery. I just want to show you through the Combi-Melt service station that comes with the odd edge bend when you option it with the PUR system. So what this station gives you the advantages of is basically being able to do all of your cleaning operations here at the service station rather than doing them on the machine, which can be a bit tricky at times. Also stops your production, so you can take the glue pot, complete the head and the hopper out of the machine, bring it over here, and you can do everything here. Your empties, your cleans, your heat ups, whatever you want to do. What you'll notice is with this you can hear the air. So basically once you've finished with the PUR tanks at the end of the day, you can store them in this box here, the dry box. You can see here we have a nice clean one that hasn't been used yet, and also the hopper as well, but you have another slot here for another head and also another spot here for the hopper unit. What I'll do is I'll pull the head out and I'll show you guys, give you a bit of a look at it. You can see the glue head is quite simple really. You have a glue roller which can be removed by taking these two off for cleaning, and the gate control is here. Now what we can do with this is we can bring this over and we have the exact same mount on the service station as what we do in the machine. We can hook it on here and it lines up. So easy. Line it up there, lock it in position, and we can actually plug this in to this section here, and then we can heat it via this switch here. It's set at 180 degrees, so you can use this, turn it on, and it'll actually heat this, the elements up in here, so you can clean the glue roller and the head. So basically what you can do as well, you have a drive unit, so you can plug this is a quick release coupling. We can plug this onto the roller and we can either drive the roller forwards or backwards. And we get this nifty little spanner here that we can put on the glue gate, and we can adjust, we can open or close that when we're doing our cleaning. So the machine comes with this little tray. We always put a rag in here to collect the mess. You can see we've already been doing some cleaning on the one we've been using in the machine. So the next thing you can do, if we come around this side, we can pull the hopper out. We can mount it on here. And again at the back here, if you come around here, you can see we have another plug. We can plug this in. And then we can heat the hopper up. Now once it's up to temperature, we can open up this filler tube gate, which will actually, a little bit tricky to see, but you can see the filler tube here which feeds the head. This will open this pipe up so that the glue that's in here in the hopper could actually spill out and come into a tin underneath here. Now you know I was saying about removing the glue roller from the actual gluing head. Once you've removed it by the two screws on the front, you can pop it down into this unit here with some cleaning agent, and you can actually heat it up to get any of the remaining residue off the roller once you're finished. So basically, after you've used this service station, the glue pots are nice and clean. You can get them ready to go back into the machine, top them up again, and away you go again. Now you do need, with this, because it's PUR, if you want to store it for a few days, you do need to have a constant air supply. It uses about 28 litres a minute, so it's not a huge user of air when you consider the benefits that the PUR system gives you. Thanks guys.